Hi and welcome to Blank Pages. I have a double page kit from Pat's Creative Solutions and you can find those details in the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you don't miss any new videos. Let's begin with page 1. All done with page 1. Moving on now to page 2. The flag detail is so simple, but it adds so much to the page. What a joy to work through this cheerful page, and now it's ready to go into my album.